How to install eSIM on EE in 2026. Installing an eSIM on your EE device can be a straightforward process. So the first step is to check device compatibility. Ensure that your device supports eSIM functionality. Most recent smartphones and tablets have this feature, but it's best to confirm in your device specifications. Step 2 is get an eSIM activation code. Contact e-customer service or website to request an eSIM activation code. You may need to provide your account details and device information. Step 3, you need to access your device settings. So open up your EE app, log in, and then select download eSIM. You can also download online, or you can also request the eSIM by phone or store. You can call 150 or visit an EE store to request a switch from physical to eSIM. After that, ensure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. And on your iPhone, you need to go with settings, mobile services, and then add eSIM and scan the QR code sent by the EE. Or if you're on your Android, you need to go with your settings, connections, and then go with SIM manager and add eSIM. Scan the QR code and follow the on-screen instructions to download the profile. EE offers eSIMs for pay monthly, but not generally for pay as you go. eSIM is one-time download. It's only for single device installation. If you have issues, you can contact EE. If you're switching from a previous provider's eSIM, delete the old profile in your phone's setting to avoid conflicts. If the scanner fails, you can also use the manual activation code provided by EE. In this way, you'll be able to install eSIM, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.